All right, seventh hour. I am not with you today. I'm at some meetings this afternoon, so I just wanted to go over with you what I'd like you to get done in class today. Here is your agenda screen. So your guest teacher will start with good things, and then we're going to work on that writing project that goes with your henna hands. And we started a blank document clear last Thursday, so you should have a Google document already started that has your directions on it. If you for some reason don't have that, you should go to checkpoint 2 and open that checkpoint 2 document so you can see the directions for the writing part. So I want you to work for the first part of class on the writing, and then on the second half of class you can work on your hand design, and all the supplies are on the front table. I did put out some other options of pens to trace over your design, so don't worry if your ink on that is not brown. And then I have colored pencils and crayons for the skin tone, and then glue sticks and background paper are also on that front table. I wanted you to take note that you do have some homework tonight. You're going to listen to chapter 2 of the book. You can also do that during class while you're working with headphones, but I want to show you where to find the audiobook. So you are going to go to your project overview. So when you click on that and you scroll down, this looks a little different because this is the teacher view. You're going to go down to your additional resources and you have your audiobook. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to Drive, and it'll either pull up little pictures with headphones, or it might also be in a list. If you have a list view, it might look like this. So either way is okay. You're going to look, they're all labeled. So like this is the epilogue. This is chapter 1 that I've read to you. And then this is chapter 2. So when you click on that, we'll just give it a try.
Chapter 2, Dreams. Every spring and fall, during the holidays of Big Eid and Small Eid.
Okay, so you can start to hear it being read. The person reading, I can't remember if it actually is Malala, but it is a person with that Middle Eastern dialect, like a Pakistani dialect. So just take a little bit of time to listen. This recording is not very long. I think in this list it shows us, oh no, maybe not. Anyway, I think it's about 6 minutes long. So it won't take you very long. You're welcome to do that in class. You're welcome to do it during PLT. You're welcome to do that at home. But I would like for you to get chapter 2 listened to. So anyway, I think that is it for today, and have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.